Wake up, sleepy people. Hope everything's off to a fine start at your house this morning. East Texas weather report. Blue skies. Got a little haze to it, but not a cloud in the sky. It's a beautiful day in East Texas. Beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, so we're going over here today to Crockett, Texas, to working on some kind of Polaris four-wheeler. I don't know. I ain't too keen on Polaris. I don't like Polaris. Some things I will work on. There's other things I won't. Polaris they're a breed to themselves, and I never have worked in a Polaris shop. I had a bad dealing with a Polaris shop about 15, 16 years ago. And it kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. It was over a special tool that I needed to pull a water pump. And it kind of made me mad. Anyway, we ain't going to get into all that. The customer says that this four-wheeler will crank and run with a pull starter only. So we're going to go over and do a little bit of troubleshooting. Excuse me. Boy, I got some terrible manners. So we're going to go over and see just what kind of problems he's got. I hope it ain't too deep. Maybe it's something simple, like a solenoid or starter issue. So, or maybe even a battery. I don't know. If it gets much deeper than that, we're going to be in trouble, because I'm going to need a wiring diagram. I'm going to have to go looking for some wiring diagrams. Anyway, that's where we're at today. What we're doing. We'll let you know. Make sure to subscribe to this video. Well, subscribe to this channel. Like this video. And ring the bell. Get your notification bell ring. Be a bell ringer. Yay! Yeah, I'm a clown. I can't help it. Anyway, God bless you. Have a great day. Good morning, YouTube. Wake up, sleepy people. Hope everything's off to a fine start at your house this morning. It's a beautiful day in East Texas. It's 31 degrees.
Go with us. We need to volunteer. And the word volunteer, or willingly volunteered, is a Hebrew word that means
Blue skies. Sun is out. It's a little bit of a haze in the atmosphere, but I don't know what that is. But it is a beautiful day in East Texas. It's mid-January, and it's just a lovely time of year. The pine trees are green, the hardwoods still have a few leaves on them, but they're coming off and getting ready to make new for a spring. Now, speaking of spring, we need to get those lawnmowers taken care of. We need to get them ready to roll. Batteries, your tires, your oil changes, new battery. I mean, new blades, new belts. It's time to get them ready to roll. So, guys, think about it and give me a call, and I'll take care of all your needs as far as your lawnmowers, jet skis, boats, tillers, generators, all that stuff goes. But it is winter time, and it's time to get them lawnmowers taken care of. Because all that fuel that you left in there in at the end of September, 1st of October, and you haven't used it all up, it's gonna go gummy on you, and you're gonna be in trouble. Now, I guess I need to speed up. I'm running 70 and a 75, and I got a truck on my ass. But anyway, guys, today we're going over here, and we're gonna finish up our video on our Polaris four-wheeler. I think it's a 330 Magnum. I can't remember. We're gonna clean the carburetor and the fuel tank, and then we're going to give it a good. We're gonna put a new key switch in it. The key switch in his is sticking. It won't retrieve back whenever you turn the key on. We got a new one on the dashboard that I went and picked up Saturday morning. Good morning, YouTube. Wake up, sleepy people. I hope everything's off to a fine start at your house this morning. Helga gets excited when I start talking. No, Helga, no. Back over. No. Teresa, I don't take you no more. You get too excited. The weather is cloudy. More than cast cloudy. It's 45 degrees outside. The winds are blowing 15 to 20 miles an hour. The flags are straight out. Winds coming out of the north. And we're headed over to East Texas Power Sports this morning in Lufkin. And we're going to pick up gentleman's key switch and have a look around. We ain't got nothing else better to do. Me and Helga's getting out of the house. Taking a ride over here. We may pick up a few groceries on the way back home. Yeah, so it's going to be an interesting day. It's going to be a long day. I say 2:30, 3 o'clock before I get home this afternoon. So, guys, y'all stick with me. And, well, wait, before you forget, reach up there and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Without your comment, it don't do no good to like the video. Thank you, guys.
there we go. We're going to reduce our heat down just a little bit, and 25 minutes later, we'll bring it back.